Today, I'm going to be attempting to sell a lot for a $100,000 profit. Lake Norman in North Carolina, really big, really nice lake. A lot of people have lake houses. A lot of people have primary residence out there. It's right over, it's in Mooresville, which is like, I'm pretty sure it's one of the first places where like NASCAR was born. And so like a lot of NASCAR drivers live out there and stuff. It's a pretty cool place. I've never been there before. My wife's family is from North Carolina. They live on a different lake out there. I've heard nothing but good things. I've actually never been there, but we got this lot locked up for $900K. I think I could sell it for $1 million. So yeah, it's right on the tip of this little thing right here. So it's obviously a water lot with a dock. Looks like it's next to this like aviator island or something like that. So if we go in and actually look at, I'm just gonna open up a new tab, the exact same tab, because I'm constantly gonna want to reference back to this one, but this one I'm actually gonna want to click out and scroll into, where is it? Can't lose it. Right here. Okay. So here were the best comps that we had. Oops. All right. So for sale, price. Actually, I don't really need to mess with this. Property type. Filters, where are the new builds? Wait, no way. These houses must have sold. There's two houses right here. There's two houses right here that were for sale for over $4 million. They took them off the market. Huh. Very interesting. Very interesting. Either way, if we look, you can see some other lots over here. You can see some other stuff. A lot of multi-million-dollar things. So on this property, my goal is going to be to go ahead and I'm going to start with agents. I'm going to be calling up agents and I'm going to be seeing what they think, seeing if any of them have a buyer. So yeah, first things first, I need to pee and get a beverage though. So I'm going to go do that. Oh, I forgot that I have this damn thing following me.
A few moments later.
We're back. All right, so first things first is I want to talk to these people right here, right? There's two houses that's probably built by the same person. And I need to talk to this Craig guy.
You've reached the voicemail of Craig, LaPage Johnson.
Okay, so he didn't answer, so I'm sending him a text right now. Basically, it's going to say, hey, my name's Tyson Smith. I see you have a couple listings off of Kemp Road. You seem like a big agent in the area, so I want to reach out to you. I source off-market properties, tear down some lots, especially for developers. Want to reach out to see if you or any of your developers you work with are looking for deals. I currently have an off-market lot right around the corner from the property you sold. Address is... And then I'm going to drop the address. Now let's see if I can just get directly in touch with this developer. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this property. We're going to go over to virtual flip leads. I'm going to search the property. Foundation Homes. So I'm just Googling Foundation Homes, North Carolina. Boom, we found them. Okay. There, look. There's just two properties.
Hello. Thank you for calling Foundation Homes Residential. Our hours of operation are Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you know your party's extension, you may dial it at any time. Or listen to the following menu prompts to guide you to the appropriate party. For sales, press 2. For accounting, permitting, warranty, or general questions, press 3. For Jason Smith, press 5. For pricing or purchase orders questions, please email Adam at foundationhomeslkn.com. For payment questions, please email billing at foundationhomeslkn. Your call is being transferred. This is Jenna.
Hey Jenna, my name is Tyson Smith. I was looking at a couple properties that Foundation Homes built off of Lake Norman on Kemp Road.
Okay.
So I actually source like lots, teardowns, and just general lots, especially for custom home builders. And I have a similar lot that's around the corner that I was wanting to see if you guys might be interested in.
Yeah, let me take down a good phone number for you and I can have one of our agents reach out to you.
That would be fantastic. Let me know when you're ready.
All right, go ahead.
It's 480.
I will have Lisa reach out to you shortly.
Okay. And then do you want to take any information about the lot, or would you rather me just communicate that with Lisa?
You can just communicate with her, that's fine.
Sounds good. Will do. Well, I really appreciate your help. I look forward to her call.
Yeah, absolutely. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye. Okay. Lisa. Now, I'm not going to wait for fucking Lisa to call me. I'm going to search. Lisa, Foundation Homes. Fuck. They have a floor plan called the Lisa. Wait. Ooh. All right. Found her. So, I found her on Instagram, got her number, and
Hello, this is Lisa.
hey, Lisa, this is Tyson Smith. I just talked to Jennifer over at Foundation Homes.
Yeah.
I have a fantastic lot in Lake Norman. It's an off-market parcel, and I noticed that Foundation Homes had built a couple new builds just around the corner. And so I wanted to reach out to some of the top agents in the area. I've got this lot, and I don't really have a buyer for it. And I wanted to see if maybe you would know somebody who'd be interested in it.
What's the address of the lot?
Are you ready for it now?
Yeah. Okay. Is it on the water?
Yes.
And what are they asking for it?
We're looking to get $1 million.
Okay. And you're not the owner?
No, I'm not the owner, but I do have the property under contract.
Okay. And you're looking for $1 million. And what is the best number to reach you? I can run it by the builder on Monday.
Yeah, this is actually my cell phone number. So,
Okay.
do you want me to read it out for you? Can you see it?
No, I got it. I'll get it from there then.
Okay, fantastic.
All right. I will let him know.
Yeah, absolutely. And Lisa, so like I said, I mean, we're looking to get $1 million for it. I obviously want to take care of you on this transaction. So typically the way we do this is either offer commission, or I'll just tell you, we want to get out of it $960. Anything you can get on top of that, you can be your commission.
Okay. All right. I will check with him. It'll probably be Monday or Tuesday before I get into our meeting, and then I will let you know.
Okay, fantastic. And then I do want to ask, because just give you a little bit of background on myself. This is what we do all across the country. Our main market is in Paradise Valley, Arizona, where I'm actually based out of. But we source anywhere from 5 to 10 lots for custom home builders and luxury developers every single month here. And we're looking to expand. Would you be like a go-to person that we would be able to send deals? Because we're really looking to break into the Mooresville market.
Yeah, I'm the go-to agent for them. I primarily represent them I represent them on all their builds. So
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you think, would it be best, essentially what we're doing right now is we're targeting any properties where we're seeing these high dollar new builds go up, and we're just looking for, older properties that are around them or already available lots that we can look to get at a discount so that the developer can get a great deal. what is the best way for me to contact these with you? Or do you...
My email is probably the best way, which is, yeah.
Okay.
And what company are you with?
So I'm with a company called Lux Blueprint. If you look me up on Instagram, my name's Tyson Smith. Basically, my partner Matthew and I, like I said, we source all of the major developers in Arizona with their deals. And we've recently expanded. We now have a training program where we have over 400 agents across the country that are finding us deals wherever we ask for them. So like I said, we're looking to break into the Mooresville market. We gave our agents a basic parameter a couple days ago, and we already have deals under contract that we're looking to move. So pretty much in any market, any luxury market across the country, we're looking to mobilize to be able to find deals for, like I said, custom home builders and luxury developers.
Okay, all right, well, that sounds good. I will, like I said, I'll be talking with him on Monday or Tuesday, and then I'll get back to you.
Okay, fantastic. I really appreciate the time, Lisa. We'll talk to you on
Thank
Monday.
Have a good day.
You too.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Look, check that out. We got the top agent for, now I'm looking at this builders, and they build all over Charlotte, Mooresville, Huntersville, Cornelius, Lake Norman, Concord, Denver, Kannapolis, Shells Ford, Stanley, Moxville. They're all over the Carolinas, and it's all custom homes. So, fantastic person to get in touch with. Now, like I said, this is kind of really who I feel like our buyer is. I got a couple more people I'm gonna want to call though. So we have this property right here for sale for 2.7. Now they bought this property for like 400 grand a couple years ago. This obviously our build would be much better, and this one's like not as good of a lot. So same thing here. Take this. But guys, I mean, that's how easy it was to find literally the top agent in an area, right? All I did was see who's building the new builds, right? They didn't have the builder's name in the description, so I put it into virtual flip leads, just saw who the owner was, searched the owner on Google, plus North Carolina, boom, found their website, called them, talked to the front desk, the little gatekeeper. She said, hey, here's Lisa. Instead of waiting for Lisa to call me, I took action. I searched Lisa, Foundation Homes, boom, found her Instagram, did it. And by the way, I'm also going to DM her on Instagram. So I'm going to be like, hey, so that she can see, you know, because I've got like a following on Instagram. She can see, oh, this guy's legit. Like he's doing stuff. Okay, so this other property is owned by a guy's name. It's under a revocable trust. This doesn't really scream cash buyer to me.